At this year's Annapolis Sailboat Show, I joined a group of fellow YouTubers sharing this giant rental house. There were 15 of us, including Expedition Drenched, leading the escapade, Sailing Yaba, Genix on the Go, and several others.
Wait a minute, I gotta rig in for us. I'm serious. See the booth? Come say hi.
One morning we chose to take the water taxi to the show. They picked us up at the dock behind the house.
You're a YouTuber?
Yep, isn't everyone these days?
We stopped to pick up some additional passengers at their boat in the harbor. From there it was a quick ride to the city dock.
Lining in a bottle, yeah, we got that spark. Sounding like an issue 5G, 4 bars. Every place we go, make it into one landmark. Ain't it real or is it just me?
The water taxi dropped us off right outside the show.